How's it going, guys? I just ran the compressor, got her all pumped up, so you guys don't have to listen to any of that. But I'm going to show you how to use one of these to clean electronics instead of wasting your money on compressed air. They have a filter on them back here. It's supposed to get rid of some of the, like most of the moisture and stuff, but obviously some still gets in. Mine's got the drain down here, and you just open her up. It's gonna be loud. Yeah, that's how you drain the water out of your tank. You could even go as far as to pump it up again, do it again, tip it up on its side. Oh, there. It like that. Oh yeah. Tip her up on her side, wiggle her around. Look at the water. That's the main reason you don't want to use one of these on electronics. They suck in a lot of moisture when they're running. And some compressors, depending on how you have it set up, might have an inline oiler and stuff like that for impact guns and stuff, and you don't want to be using those. But anyways, now she's probably ready to go. I'm going to maybe do it one more time off camera, and then we're going to clean my computer. Alright, see you boys later.